Hey everyone, Kevin here with the Gerard team at Royal LePage. Casa Di Torre condominium, a premier development built in 2021 by renowned builders Marz Homes and Branthaven, is located right in the heart of Stoney Creek, directly across from all amenities at Fiesta Mall. There is easy highway access and transit at the doorstep. Welcome to Unit 416 at 121 Highway 8. Beautiful 825 square foot southwest facing corner unit has 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. There's a beautiful open concept kitchen and living area with access to a private balcony. This impressive building offers lifestyle amenities such as a fitness room and yoga studio. There's a state-of-the-art party room and this rooftop entertaining area for barbecuing and relaxing. The unit also comes with 1 underground parking space and a storage locker. Once again, I'm Kevin Gerard with Royal LePage. If you have any questions or if you'd like to arrange a private tour, please give me a call. Thank you.